Deepak, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Hope you are also doing good.
Super, yaar. We have become so busy after Corona.
Mhm.
Now, online left and right classes, trainings are happening. I hope you know that we are doing many training courses right now.
Yes, yes.
Acha, brief me about yourself. Tell me about your academics and where are you from? Just can you brief quickly?
Yes, sir. So I am from Odisha, basically. So I have done my master's in technology from Calicut University. Then I am now currently working IT professional from past 7 years of experience now. So I have been doing yoga from my childhood. I have studied in a Gurukul ashram. So from there, it's been 20 years I have been practicing yoga. So this is my brief introduction.
So you met me in Bangalore, Jayanagar in December, right? December
2019. Yes.
2019.
December 1st.
So you are based out of Bangalore right now.
Right now I am in Bangalore.
Fantastic. So tell me, how was your journey from 2019 December? You came for teacher training course in Bodhi.
Yes, I was just accidentally saw that board in Jayanagar. That was the inauguration day, December 1st. Then I entered and I met you. Then you explained me in 5-10 minutes. I have decided I am going to join there. And there was no marketing gimmicks like today only we have offer or something, nothing like that.
So you decided in 5 minutes?
Yes, I have decided in 5 minutes.
I don't recollect. What was the reason for you to decide in 5 minutes?
I don't know. I talked to you and I got convinced in 5 minutes that I am joining here itself. So then 14th was the starting day. Then I only called you and asked. You forgot again that I have told you.
Shall I tell you?
Sorry?
Shall I tell you?
Yes.
The reason for you to join?
Yes, please.
My yoga people memory is very powerful. Huh? You asked me, can I pay now or shall I pay later on?
Yes, yes.
I said you come and pay one day before.
You told it is full up to 15 days we have offer, so no problem like that.
See, this is one secret, Deepak. Anybody comes to our yoga classes,
yes,
or teacher training course, I don't convince them. Because you cannot convince anybody.
Yes.
So only thing what I do, you talk from here.
Yes.
Speak to them naturally. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then that they will register. Even we did not discuss anything about yoga and syllabus.
No syllabus, nothing we have discussed.
And you got confidence in 5 minutes.
Yes, yes.
The reason is I spoke from here.
I didn't even know that Bodhi is this much big institute in Hyderabad, 18 centers are there. Nothing I knew at that time. I just knew like I should get admitted here. That's all.
So what happened after teacher training course? So you took 2 months training course. You were
yes.
3 months. Weekend used to come, right?
Weekend used to come 3 months. Then December, January 14th, I got one chance to teach there itself, morning batch.
While you were in training itself, because I gave opportunity, because you are practicing 15 years, more than 20 years, you said.
Yes. Still, I have some issues initial 2-3 days. Then I got support, no scolding or anything from anyone else. Even clients also supported me. You should speak loud. Everything they told me very supportively. And after 3 days, it was very normal for me. Like I have been teaching from years, that kind of feelings came. Then it was no looking back. Then
See, you have got yogi qualities, Deepak. See, you took I remember one trainer, I can't tell the name. One student scolded him in the class.
Okay.
She said, your voice is low. Okay. He quit yoga profession. He says, I don't like this. Students are scolding me. So people will give feedback. We have to take it positively.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you mentioned right now.
Yes.
Students supported me.
Even those students are still in touch with me in mobile. They ask how are you and all everything. Even though I am not teaching them now, they are still in contact.
when we behave naturally, all students will be connected to us.
Yes.
So fantastic. So within 1 month, you took opportunity to teach. What happened after that? What is that? Right now, are you teaching?
Yes. Right now, morning I take classes 2 hours. Then I log into office work. So evening I don't have class right now. I completely give time for myself to study yoga topic, everything.
And you are working as an IT engineer and you are taking morning classes.
Yes.
Excellent. Tell me, what is your future plans? What do you want to do? What's your action plan now?
So currently I have planned by 2022 in July I am going to quit my IT job and I'll be devoted full time towards yoga. So my aim is.
How old are you? How old are you now?
I'm 31 years old.
And so in 32 years, you will quit this profession and you want to become full-time yoga trainer.
Yes, because there are enough number of opportunities, scopes in yoga field. And other than that, you have to be very perfect because there are many myths are there among yoga. People understanding yoga is just a posture, which is not even 1/8 of the yoga concept. So there are many only who can even move their hand or leg only with pranayama meditation you can cure them. So to spread this concept of yoga, there are many things to do. So I just want to quit my job. Then I completely spend my time and life with yoga. That is my aim now currently.
So you need a lot of courage to quit your IT job.
Yes, that also came from yoga itself. I feel.
For me also, I quit at the age of 37, Deepak.
Yes.
You know that I was a GM in Tata Group that time.
Yes.
And tell me, what type of students are you handling? Like, normal classes or any patient type of category?
There are only two kinds of people now comes online. That is, they want to weight loss. Then some disease, lifestyle disease like diabetic, high BP, that kind of disease.
So mostly 90% fall this category, either weight loss or diabetes.
Or some kind of depression or that kind of issues.
So how is life now after starting teaching?
After I have been doing from last 20 years for myself. And when I converted to started teaching to others, then it was like that 20 years of experience I got in 1 year. That kind of experience it was. Because while teaching many things, I corrected myself. And I unknowingly, when I'm talking to someone or explaining something, I don't know how I tell all those things to them. I might have read somewhere, or I don't know from where it comes.
So knowledge is flowing.
Yes, just I deliver that thing to them. Many times I have observed.
Fantastic. See, Deepak, many trainers don't understand that they can gain more while teaching.
Yes. And
teaching is a golden opportunity to excel in the yoga path. You get an opportunity to meet people, you get an opportunity to see. And not only that, your learning mode changes because now you have students, you have patients. So whenever you open a book, you want to read, how can I help my student?
Yes.
So that mindset changes. Our mindset will go into helping mode, serving mode, supporting mode.
Yes. And in Bangalore especially, some people are very knowledgeable. They have enough knowledge regarding yoga, fitness, everything. So by teaching them, you will excel like anything. It is not like some poses also when you teach them, they will tell, sir, I am comfortable with this kind of doing this kind of posture. So from there also a lot of knowledge comes.
So I have a request to you, Deepak. See, when I was 37 years old, I quit my profession. I hope we have 100 team members right now. We are working with Harmony. My vision is huge, very big. And now, see, let us assume, Deepak, out of 140 crore people, let us assume 1 crore people want to be healthy. Let us remove 139 crore people. 1 crore people. Now, 140 crore people knows that, yoga is very good now. All knows now, everybody knows now. So let us take 1 crore people are looking for
to be
better health. That means how many yoga teachers we need?
Yes. Even if 100 you take, it will be 10 lakhs.
1 lakh.
Yes.
1 lakh teachers, each person 100 students. That means we can make 1 lakh teachers busy in India.
Yes.
What a satisfaction for any yoga teacher if you are teaching to 100 students, Deepak. So what I request you on the screen, this video will be there forever on this video. I want you to be with me.
Yes.
When you quit job, please come and join me.
Sure.
You will be taken care. We will work together. We will travel together, and we will spread together. I'm looking for somebody to be with me, because boys is easy to travel.
Yes.
We can go to jungle and we can sit on top of tree and spend some time. We can go to mountain trekking. Yeah. So let us work together now. See, Yoga Path, my guru told Deepak, work with 1 or 2 trainers. Never work alone.
Okay.
Boring. Yeah. One way boring, but the other side, when you are a group, the energy is very high.
Yes.
Yeah, there will be conflicts, ego problems. We are beyond all those things, Deepak. They're out. We don't care. See, you're ready to. How much are you drawing salary right now?
1.2.
1.2 lakhs you're drawing, and you decided to quit. How many students you have got? You said some 7-8 students, right?
Yes. Yes.
So the confidence and the courage levels are very high. People will laugh at you. I'm telling you, people who are laughing at me. This fellow is left job, high job, GM job, etc. We don't care. Yeah. So let's work together, Deepak.
Yes.
And wish you all the best. Keep rocking.
Thank you.
I have a gift for you.
Yes, sir.
You're such a sincere student. Join for yoga therapy teacher training. We have a training, right? You know that.
Okay.
So it's a gift to you from my side.
Okay.
Join from this Saturday. It's every Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
This gift, enhance your knowledge. Pradhana Patel teaching. And Pradhana Patel and her team members learn. And 15 types of diseases we are helping. Means we have created modules. All 15 modules are, everybody, if you ask, 99% will fall into that category. Since you mentioned you are handling patients, so I'm recommending you to do this course. Since I'm recommending, it's a complimentary gift to you, Deepak.
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay.
All the best. Let's
Thank you,
work.
sir.
Let's work. Om Namah Shivaya.
Okay.